Okay, we have a Bridgeport Series 1 milling machine with an ACU-RITE MILLPOWER 3-axis CNC control. Machine was retrofitted in 2017. Serial number of the mill was BR, or is BR 264,613. We're gonna run it for you. That's your x-axis. Machine has a 9x42 table. You get about 24 inches of X travel with that. You have 12 inches of Y. And you have 5 inches of Z. Machine has an R8 spindle taper. You do have an air actuated power drawbar. You have, the retrofit was done in 2017, so you have new ball screws, servo motors, and control done at that time. That's 1,000? Yeah. Yep, 1,000 RPM. Goes up to 4,200. 2,700. Machine's nice and quiet. Spindle brake, and we're going to put it in low gear. Now we're in low. Okay. 120. So you've seen it in high gear and low gear. Machine does have chrome ways as well. It's a nice shape. Original paint. Thank you for watching our video.